Magenta. I hate cartridges. Not magenta, not magenta. I'm not going back to the store. Magenta! Cartridges are so...
The new Epson EcoTank. No more cartridges. It comes with an incredible amount of ink that can save you a lot of frustration and trips to the store. The Epson EcoTank.
Just fill and chill.
Ready for printing that revolves around you? Get ready to ink differently with HP Instant Ink. Your printer anticipates when you're low and sends you the right ink right on time for less. With our flexible printing plans, print selfies, recipes, or reports easier than ever. Instant Ink brings simple printing full circle. 1. Pick your plan. 2. Get ink when you need it. 3. Change or cancel anytime. Find the perfect plan and sign up today. Print more? Pay as you go or upgrade. Print less? Unused pages roll over. Color, black and white, cost the same. Shipping and recycling included. Instant Ink connects all the dots. Moms, dads, students, startups. It hits the spot with everyone. HP Instant Ink.